Hi guys, this is my Lasiodora parahybana. This is a juvenile, unsexed, hopefully female. Just gonna put her water dish back. We're gonna add moisture to her enclosure because it's looking pretty bone dry. We're gonna add moisture to her water dish. And we're also going to see if she's hungry. Oh yes. Oh, she's hungry. Lovely stuff. Gorgeous. Now, as I said, this is one of the larger species of tarantulas. Individuals can reach, is it 9 inches in leg span? I might be wrong, guys. Please do fact check me and correct me in the comments if that is incorrect. These guys can be found in loads of places in South America, Brazil,